In summer, we have mangoes every day, and it's happiness, literally so sweet and yummy. But we love pickles and we eat a lot. Definitely this brand. We got something from Gap and waiting for KFC. Okay, this is our order. You know, it's summer and there are a lot of sale. Well, it's the top. It's XS size. It still is very loose for me, but I like it because it has a good quality and really comfy. Then I got a kimono from Zara. I really like it. Yeah, it has pocket, a big pocket, and long sleeves. It comes with a rope. Also, it has a good quality. And I got another one from Zara. These are really beautiful. I like the color and it's soft. There are two pockets and zipper. This is a small size, and so yeah, I like it.
This one is this.
No, I need this. I don't know which one. I took this one. I like the woman. This is my favorite body wash, and I'm gonna take it. The shampoo I use is this brand, OGX, and I'm gonna take it. We came here to have dinner. Guys, you know I love summer because of these fruits. I love the candles. It's white pumpkin. It smells amazing. And I got 2 pieces from Zara. I'm in love with this bag. Look at this. I love it. Inside, it's very nice. I love it. And I got this dress. Look like this. This one is also from Zara. This from Mango. Look at this. Simple and white.